Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our monthly Boxycharm unboxing. This is the base box in case you are new to my channel, which is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size items. So as soon as you open it up, you get a little pamphlet here that tells you the theme of the box as well as the retail value of every item that you are receiving in your box. So this is the little pamphlet, little flyer. So this one is Go All Out. And it also lets you know when you get an option to make new choices and add-ons and pop-ups and all that good stuff. So as soon as I'm opening this up, the first thing I see is a palette. So it's from Ditto. And this one retails you for $29.99. I've actually never heard of this brand. The palette is really, really pretty. So let me open it. I've been cleaning, so I can't find certain things right now. I usually have a little X-Acto knife, so it makes things like this really, really easy to opening. But all right, we got it. Okay, so this is, oh, this is pretty. The palette inside is really nice too. So this is what it looks like. This looks really nice. Oh, I'm really excited. So I'm going to be filming a whole tutorial and I'll do swatches of everything because this looks so pretty. Do you see this? Do you see this? It's so pretty. Oh, I love this. I've never heard of this brand, so I'm hoping it's good. I'll be very disappointed if it's lacking, but I'm very, very excited. So this palette represents planet Venus with 12 shades that embodies glittering gold to warm neutral brown colors, opaque, high pigmented, satin soft formula providing adhesive for multiple beautiful shades. Yeah, I'm excited. So this one here is my item that I picked. Every month you get to pick a product or you can let them pick for you. So this is Iconic London. This is the ultimate bronzing powder. So I picked up, so this retails you for $35. I picked up the shade Warm Bronze. I've never tried anything from them and I wasn't sure which shade to go with. There weren't a lot of shades for me to check online because I do try to do my research before picking out things, especially when it comes to complexion products. I'm very, I have to like sit on it for a little bit and I have to do my research because I'm trying to find the best and the closest thing to match me because I want to make use of the products I'm getting, you know? So packaging is beautiful. It's very big. I wasn't sure what to expect and this is the shade. I think I did well. I think this color is going to be really, really nice. So I'll do a whole video when I'm doing the tutorial. I will use this also. Or maybe I can just, yeah, I don't know. I will film a video because I'm very excited about this. I'm gonna smell it because, wait. It has a scent. It has a little bit of a fragrance, but you have to really sniff. Like you have to really just like shove your nose in there. I don't know. I feel like it does have a little bit of a scent, but it's pretty. I think this color is going to match me perfectly. So the shade that I picked up, in case I forgot, is Warm Bronze. But very excited. It'll be my first Iconic London product. I've heard just really good things about them, so I'm just excited, you know, just excited. So this next product is Hydration Happy from Monica Kadzar. Her stuff is supposed to be really good. So this is just a hydrating face mist. This retails you for $19 and it's just supposed to help prep your skin for hydrating base. My skin has been a little dry because I am on acne medication, so my skin does get pretty dry. I wanna smell this because why not? It's what we do here with products. Hold on, let's. It smells good. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells good. Okay, we will be testing this out. I'm going to keep this right over here so I can test this out probably tomorrow. Next thing that I see is a serum plus vitamin E retinol. Okay, So this is from Claire's in New York. This is what it looks like. This retails you for $24.99. It's a blend of retinol and vitamin E oils. It's supposed to help stimulate and moisturize your skin. It's supposed to help reduce appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Who doesn't want that? Who doesn't want that? I want that. I want all of that. So I am currently on retinol, but my skin has been getting a little dry, so maybe I can just switch over and try this out and I'll let you guys know what I think. But this is thick. I'm moving it around and it doesn't have a scent to it, so I'm gonna be trying this out. I'm actually really excited about this. I've been loving skincare products and just loving to try things. I do have an issue where I do break out very easily. I have very sensitive skin. So the issue with trying out new products is your chance breaking out and getting a reaction, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna see how it goes. So this is the last product that I see, and it's from Kate Somerville. This is Exfoliate Glow. It's a moisturizer. So this retails you for $70. I know her stuff is pretty expensive, but her stuff is also, everyone says really good things about it. I have one of her products that I haven't tried out yet. It's a scrub, so I don't know. I think it's in the other room, but I'm always down for, like I said, skincare, but moisturizers especially. So I'm hoping that this works really well. It says it's supposed to smooth fine lines and wrinkles to reveal healthier, younger looking skin. Container is nice. It smells like oranges, right? It smells good. It's thick. It's a really nice minty color green that you guys can see, but it smells good. I don't know why I'm smelling both of them as if they're gonna smell completely different, but I'm pretty excited. So far, I'm really excited about my entire box. There is nothing in here that I will not be using. There's nothing in here that I'm not excited about. So it was a good box. It was a really good box. Oh, and her thing has a little winky face. That's cute. I like little details like that. So, okay, so I'm really excited about this box. And very soon I will be trying out these two things and letting you know how they go. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video.